Welcome back to Pente Spotlight. I'm Grace, your resident squint tester who always wonders why every screen has to keep getting brighter. I mean, my first phone flashlight blinds me, not enlightens me.
And I'm Joshua, the guy who once accidentally left his brightness at 100% and nearly caused a house fire. If Apple makes screens brighter, I might need sunglasses indoors.
But let's talk serious tech for a sec. Apple is reportedly planning to bring OLED screens to more of its major devices, including the iPad mini, MacBook Pro, and even the iMac. That's big news for display lovers everywhere. According to the article, this move should bring deeper blacks, more vibrant colors, and better energy efficiency compared to traditional LCDs.
Yeah, OLED is like the difference between candlelight and fireworks, except it costs way less and doesn't require an entire fire crew. Basically, each pixel illuminates itself, so you get true black and incredible contrast.
Right, and imagine this, an iPad mini that actually looks like a tiny movie theater in your hands, a MacBook Pro that makes videos and photos pop, and an iMac that could almost convince you you're inside the scene rather than just looking at it.
But wait, there's more. Apple's expanding OLED across devices because people increasingly consume media on laptops and tablets. So why settle for good enough screens when you can have cinema-grade displays for your Zoom calls and Netflix marathons?
Screen quality also improves battery life. Yep, you heard that right. OLED can be more power efficient because dark pixels don't need power at all, so you're watching longer without reaching for the charger, unless your battery saver is as confused as your ex's last text.
One thing to note, Apple hasn't confirmed an exact timeline yet. These changes are expected to roll out gradually over the next few product cycles, which means your next Mini might just be way more gorgeous than you imagined.
Honestly, though, this feels like Apple saying screens matter, and after years of incremental improvements, moving to OLED across more devices feels like a real upgrade, not just a checkbox on the spec sheet.
Especially if you're editing photos, watching HDR content, or just a die-hard display nerd, OLED is going to make a noticeable difference.
So, to all the Apple fans, creatives, binge watchers, and screen perfectionists, get excited. Things are about to look even prettier. And yes, Joshua, we'll get you some shades. Maybe.
That's all for today's Pente Spotlight. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, because the future is OLED, and it's bright.